This full-service experiential marketing agency specializes in using creative design, custom fabrication, and future-forward technology to turn customers' bold ideas into realities, creating unforgettable custom brand experiences. Join us in Minneapolis and meet NPARALLEL Atomic Props.
NPARALLEL Atomic Props is an experiential marketing agency. I'm the CEO, one of the founders, and the president, and we have a group of strategists, creatives, fabricators, folks in technology, and all things that it takes to create immersive experiences to connect the minds and hearts of brands. NPARALLEL Atomic Props stands out with over 60 years of combined experience, a true belief in our culture and the importance of the core values that we live by within the organization, and our passion for doing what we do.
NPARALLEL Atomic Props, we create experiences by bringing bold ideas to reality. And we do that through our full-service, in-house creative team. That is with CNC routing, foam carving, scenic painting, welding, custom light work, and woodwork, among many other things that we do within our 160,000 square feet of facilities.
Here at NPARALLEL Atomic Props, we've put together a creative department that puts architecture, interior design, multimedia, and emerging tech into all of our solutions to create experiences that are not only strategic, they are also artistic.
At NPARALLEL Atomic Props, future forward technology isn't just a layer, it's the foundation of what we do in creating our brand experiences. We partner with our clients to integrate multiple technology platforms to create these immersive and engaging brand experiences. At NPARALLEL, we intentionally don't follow the future, we work hard to build the future.
The team here at NPARALLEL Atomic Props is probably the coolest team I've been a part of. And being with this group of unique individuals, they're makers, creators, they come from all different walks of life, backgrounds, and experiences, and we all come together to make these really cool, unique. There's special things that we make here that nobody else can do. There's a ton of passion in this team, and I'm just so proud to be a part of it. Everything that this team touches is we really look at how we're building that relationship with our clients to better understand the strategy. What is the reason for this, and what is the difference we're making in the world with this thing, with this fun, exciting engagement or experience. But truly at the end of the day, it's about creating that trust and that extension of our clients' teams to really make magic happen.
NPARALLEL Atomic Props is one of the world's greatest because of the team we have here, the relationships that we build with our clients, and the incredible work we do in immersive brand activations.